Hi everyone, welcome to another video edition of CollegeDekho.com. The JEE Advanced result was announced yesterday on 9th June 2024. A total of 1,80,200 students appeared for the exam on May 26th, out of which 48,248 candidates have qualified in total and about 7,964 students are women candidates. Ved Lahoti of IIT Delhi Zone is the topper of JEE Advanced 2024. He obtained 355 marks out of a total of 360. So what next? JOSAA registration 2024 has begun today, the 10th of June. Are you excited but little overwhelmed with the process? Don't worry, we have you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the JOSAA Counselling registration step by step, making sure that you get everything from step 1 on the go. First things first, you need to visit the official website of JOSAA, which is josaa.nic.in. There, you will find a registration link. Click on it and enter your JEE main application number and password. Once you are logged in, you will need to fill in a detailed registration form including personal details, academic qualifications, and contact details. Step 2. Choice filling. The next crucial step is choice filling. This is where you prioritize your preferred colleges, institutes, and branches basis your interests and main JEE rank. JOSAA allows you to fill in a vast number of choices, so utilize it to your advantage. Research different institutes, their courses, and placement records to make informed decisions. Step 3. Important tips. Here's a pro tip. Don't just list down your dream colleges at the top. Analyze the previous year's cutoffs for those colleges and understand your chances of getting through realistically. Include a healthy mix of ambitious choices, moderate options, and some safety nets based on your rank prediction. Step 4. Fee payment and locking. Once you finalize your choices, it's time to pay the registration fee. JOSAA offers various online payment options for your convenience. The acceptance fee varies for different categories. You have to pay 35,000 for general category and OBC category and rupees 50,000 for SC, ST and PWD categories. After successful payment, do not forget to lock in on your choices. This completes your final selections and prevents any accidental changes. Step 5. Keep yourself updated. JOSAA conducts the counseling in multiple rounds. Keep an eye on the website for the schedule as well as to check the results of each round. Primarily, you have 3 options. Option number 1, accept it. Number 2, opt for the float option, which essentially means that you retain your seat and participate in further rounds. And third, which is reject round. Last but not the least, we know that the JOSAA counseling process can be really daunting for some people. But with proper planning and the step-by-step guide, we are sure you'll be able to crack it without any difficulty. Good luck with your admissions. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.